Let's look at two ways that you can better analyze your data, using filters and segments. We're looking at a sample metric called accounts. Within the Data tab, you can see a Segment By area. This dropdown will contain any segments that you have available inside of your data. Likewise, on the Filter tab, you'll see those same segments but exposed as filterable options. We're going to go ahead and filter by 4 countries. Once we've done that, we can head back to the Data tab and have a look again at the Segment By dropdown. Now when we segment by country, you'll see that the data updates to represent those 4 countries we chose. Segments depend on the type of visualization you've chosen. So for a pie chart, of course, you don't have the time series available. But for bar and line chart, you do. But what happens if you want to change that? So watch here as I change from date and time to channel. You can see that the data now is updated to reflect that. I can also change that around by having country on the bottom axis and segmenting that by channel. So again, those two are quite interchangeable depending on how you want to visualize your data. As you do this, feel free to choose different chart types and see how your data is represented. Here, for example, as a chart, and you can see that the columns and rows are still maintained, as well as the filters. You can always go in and update those as well on the fly. So explore your own data using filters and segments and see what kind of insights you uncover. Hopefully this was helpful. Keep us posted.